I'm Katherine and I'm group leader at ICIQ. In our research group, we work on the development of nanostructured photocatalytic materials for the generation of solar fuels, but also we work on the design of photoactive micromotors for environmental remediation. So our first research line focuses on the development of nanostructured photocatalytic materials for the generation of solar fuels. In particular, we are focused on developing heterostructured systems for the photocatalytic conversion of CO2 into high valuable chemicals and fuels, but also on the valorization of organic pollutants into hydrogen, which is a clean energy vector. Our second research line focused on the development of photoactive micro-nanomotors, which are very tiny artificial devices able to move under light irradiation by converting this light energy into mechanical motion. In particular, we are focusing on developing efficient micro-nanomotors that can remove different types of pollutants in wastewater, like organic pollutants, pathogenic bacteria, or even biofilms. And recently, we are trying also to develop a novel class of photorechargeable nanorobots that are able to absorb light energy, store it, and release it to keep working and functioning in environments of limited light penetration, like for instance in tissues. So our main aim is to try to expand the applicability of these nanorobots for the inactivation of a fungal biofilm. Our research group is quite multidisciplinary and also very international. We have more than 7 nationalities in our research group, and we often collaborate with different groups in Europe, like for instance from University of Gothenburg or University of Ghent, but also within the Catalonia territory, like for instance we have collaborators in ICN2, IBEC, and IREC as well.